Three small stocks that could potentially 10x in value over the next 10 years. Number 1, Applied Nutrition, ticker symbol APN.L. Applied Nutrition is a small UK company that provides sports nutrition products like protein powders, creatine, sports drinks and supplements. This is a crowded niche with low barriers to entry, but it's also a huge market worth $190 billion, and Applied Nutrition stands out for a number of reasons. First, the company has its own manufacturing, which allows it to innovate fast and ensure its products are free of prohibited ingredients. Second, the company operates a B2B business model that is cost effective and bypasses the need for heavy consumer advertising. Third, the company has a highly driven, founder-led management team. These qualities have led to rapid revenue growth over the last few years with industry-leading margins. Adjusted EBITDA margins in the first half of this year were 29% with a 65% free cash flow conversion. So based on the company's guidance, the company is valued at around 16 times free cash flow. That's not bad considering the 19% sales growth. This is a company that can become much bigger in the years ahead. Number 2, Tiendas 3B, ticker symbol TBBB. Tiendas 3B is a discount retailer that's best described as the Audi of Mexico. The company provides low-cost essentials and private labels and typically sells them before having to pay suppliers. This gives the company cash up front that the business can use to grow, and growth is a key component of the investment case because Tiendas has managed to grow revenues over 30% a year for the last 3 years while opening almost 1,300 new stores. Revenues grew another 35% in the recent quarter while same-store sales continue to improve with new openings. Tiendas 3B thinks it can scale to 12,000 stores across Mexico, which should support high revenue growth rates for years to come. After that, the company could look at neighboring countries in South America. The long runway for growth and ability to generate consistent cash flow means the stock should one day be worth a lot more than it is now. Number 3, 11-Bit Studios, ticker symbol 11B. 11-Bit Studios is a small video game developer out of Poland. The business trades on the Warsaw Stock Exchange with a market cap of roughly $145 million. 11-Bit is famous for emotional, narrative-driven games that include Frostpunk, This War of Mine and Moonlighter. However, the stock collapsed last year when the company decided to cancel a game it was working on called Project 8. That led to a write-off of 48 million Polish Zloty, and the company ended up posting a yearly profit of just 7 million. But 11-Bit Studios maintains a good reputation among gamers, and the company has several titles coming out that could get the studio back on track. Upcoming release The Alters is already the company's second most wishlisted game and could be a contender for Game of the Year. If The Alters is a success, 11-Bit should get back to previous profit levels and the stock should have room to double. Longer term, the company has the potential to grow its franchise and become a larger player. So those are 3 small stocks that could potentially 10x in value over the next 10 years. But these are my personal opinions, not financial advice, and I do own shares in all 3 of these companies. And if you want to see more of my work, join my newsletter at 3minutebreakdowns.com. Thank you for watching.